This is a pretty interesting charger. It'll charge any kind of batteries you can imagine, and this one's programmed to do lithium ion, 3.3 volt version of lithium ion batteries, 8 series batteries, current limited to 4 amps. It's got a constant current mode where it programs, and then when it reaches a voltage it shuts off at this constant voltage, which in this case is 28.8 volts. That's the top of the voltage range. Keeps track of the time and the amount of energy you're putting. Those are in milliamp hours, so you can see how much energy you're putting into the battery in the charging thing. Anyway, the other thing I wanted to point out was this throttle control that I got here. Aaron will get a kick out of this one. So this motor actually runs in kind of a speed control mode. So if you set this thing for about 50% of its speed, it'll try to maintain that speed and give more power if it's going too slow, or it'll pull back when it's going too fast. So what I've been doing is I just run with it at a constant speed and use whatever pedal power I can give. And the way I've got this thing set up is it's kind of a cool design. It resets itself so that you can use the normal throttle control for it. This was a great big pot that I had. It's a 2-inch diameter pot. That's why this thing is so big. And this is an old fishing line that's wrapped around the shaft to give it this motion. And this was like a car antenna piece that I had in my scrap metal box. And all this stuff was actually scrap here. These things came out of a old chime that was in the house that we didn't use. Anyway, it's a pretty cool control. I like that you can go full throttle or reset. Cool. Thought you'd be interested in that.